Did you know that you can mark multiple processing areas on the same canvas on the xTool S1? Here's how to do it. I've already taken a mark the distance, so all we have to do is now mark our processing area. So with this we're going to use a couple of scrap bits that I've got. So we will just select our rectangle for this one and select start marking. So we go over to our xTool and we can mark our first point in the top left hand corner and then mark our second point in the bottom right hand corner. Then we go to the computer and we click end marking. Now we go back to the xTool and we can mark our top left hand corner of our second piece and our bottom right hand corner of our second piece. We go back to the computer and we can see we've got two separate pieces marked there. So now we click end marking and then we can click done. And now we can just place whatever we want or place what we're working on into both of these marked areas. We'll just move these to a side and we'll get these and put them down there. And these are both now ready to cut out on these separate pieces of wood. Now what if we've got a different type of material that we want to work with? Well, we'll take these out. And let's put in this old scrap piece that I've got lying around. So let's say we want to use up these two spots up here, and we've got another spot as well on the edge which really isn't on camera, so let's move that over a bit. Right, we've got this spot here, and this bit here. So we go to our computer screen and we'll move everything out of the way, and we can let's see if it lets us do it without measuring it. Okay, we can select the polygon here because we want to make several different spots. Well, we can do this one in the rectangle as well, but for the sake of it, let's do the polygon. So we go to our first spot, and because we're doing the polygon shape, we have to mark every corner instead of just the top left and the bottom right. So we'll mark this corner, then go to the top right, bottom right, bottom left, and top left. Now we go back to the computer, we press end marking, go to the next one, we'll press our marking on the top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right, bottom left, and top left again. Go back to our computer, click end marking, and then we can go on to the last one. And because this is a funny shape, we'll start up here, top left, top right, bottom right, bottom left, we'll go up a bit and across to the edge, again to the left and up the top. And we go back to our computer and we've got that last shape there. We click end marking and done. And now you can move all your pieces into position where you want them, like so. And with these, probably only got room for one or two. We can spin that one around. Move that one in there. Now, as well as grabbing them and spinning them around, like if we want to spin this one around, we can either spin it or we can come up here and just type in 180 degrees and enter, and it spins it for us. So there we go. I'm not going to worry about filling that, you get the idea. So now we can just process this as normal and we can cut all these pieces out on all our scrap wood. So this is a really great way to use up scrap material that you've got. Hope you enjoyed this. If you've got anything you'd like to know, anything you want me to make a video on, let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.